Sworkit is a fitness platform designed to make workouts accessible and customizable for people of all fitness levels. In this video, we explore the user experience, functionality, and unique offerings of this site. When you first visit Sworkit, you're greeted with a clean and user-friendly interface that immediately asks for your fitness goals, whether it's losing weight, gaining muscle, or maintaining general fitness. The site focuses heavily on personalization, tailoring routines based on user inputs such as age, fitness level, and workout preferences. Once you set your goals, the site generates a custom workout plan that aligns with your needs, which you can adjust further by choosing the duration, intensity, and type of exercise. One standout feature is the ability to schedule workouts and track progress directly within the app or on the website. This allows users to stay on top of their fitness journey, with detailed reports that help track calories burned and time spent on exercises. For beginners, Sworkit shines with its library of guided workouts featuring clear video demonstrations, ensuring that exercises are done safely and effectively. The flexibility to choose between yoga, strength training, cardio, and stretching makes it an all-in-one fitness solution. However, while Sworkit offers a free trial, many features are locked behind a premium subscription, which may deter casual users. The premium tier, though, provides additional benefits like access to expert advice and customizable plans for families. Navigating the website and app is smooth, but there is room for improvement in terms of advanced tracking tools for serious athletes or fitness enthusiasts looking for detailed performance analytics. Overall, Sworkit is a great tool for those new to fitness or anyone looking for a convenient way to stay active without going to a gym. If you're seeking an easy-to-use platform with a focus on adaptability, Sworkit could be worth trying. For more insights like this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest reviews.